Njeri Ithaga Riene, mena Gikarati, have led fellow actors in the country in mourning the death of one of their fellow actors' son, the actor being Nicholas Mwangi. You may know him from Zora, the show Zora, which used to air on Citizen TV, and his son has sadly rested. And he took to his Facebook page to share the sad news with the entire nation. Akiuga, it is well, my son, rest in peace. And then he added another message to his son, Akiuga, my son Elvis, why did you have to go when we as a family, we had so many hopes in you, with so many heartbroken emojis. The son had been ill, and actually not so long ago, Njeri Ithaga Riene had taken to her Facebook page to make an urgent appeal to all her fans and followers and also everyone out there. Akiuga, the son was in urgent need of blood donation, blood group O. Akiuga, urgent please, today I need your help. Mnajua ni kwa Zora, his real sio wa TV son urgently needs blood donation, blood group O. Dad's name Nicholas Mwangi, Kikuyu Referral Hospital. Then she gave the number, and then God bless you as you purpose to come save this boy. That was 2 days ago, and now sadly the boy has rested, and our condolences to the entire family of Nicholas Mwangi. And Njeri Ithaga Riene has penned this tribute to the boy Akiuga. The boy has rested, my friend's son, rest in peace. Last Sunday, I posted a request for willing donors. The people who donated blood on Sunday, the people who supported us with prayer and well wishes, God bless you. Unfortunately, God took away his pain and gave Elvis a rest. Let's keep Nicholas Mwangi and his family, the dad, in prayers. Na oho Gikarati onake nĩacakaĩte gĩkuũ kĩa Elvis. Akiuga, my heartfelt condolences to the family of actor Nick Kikuyu for losing his son. May God give you peace. Mungu alijaze pengo lililo achwa. It is really painful losing a son. May Elvis rest in peace. Na gayaroririka na family yake yothe. And do not forget subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.